welcome back to the channel, everyone. We're going to take things, I know, channel's called Taking It Outdoors. We're going to take it indoors because here in Kentucky for the last week or so, we've had tornadoes and tons of rain. And right now, our prayers and thoughts go out to those families that are suffering, have lost a lot. I mean, the floodwaters, the Ohio River rose, I would say, at least 10, 12 feet. And we have friends of ours that had 6 feet of water, 6.5 feet of water in their basement. So you can see by the pictures that there is serious flooding, and it's going to be that way for a while until the waters reside. Because of that, I think I'm going to cook indoors tonight. We got rain again today, so we're going to come and join me. We're going to make Japanese chicken curry. Easy recipe. Do it yourself. You'll totally enjoy it. On to the video. And so for our ingredients on the Japanese curry, we got carrots going in, an onion. The curry is what's going to make the paste in that. The Japanese curry, this is a well-known brand. We got, oh, wait a second. You get regular potatoes, but we're going to go healthy. So we're going to have sweet potatoes. Chicken, 1 tablespoon of no sugar added ketchup. What's your sister sauce or Worcestershire sauce, 1 tablespoon. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. And we're going to try this sugar-free strawberry preserves. So those are our ingredients. We'll get them going. We're going to cook this for the 5 minutes, stirring occasionally, and we're about there now. The rest of it's going to cook when we boil. So we're going to add our water and turn our heat up because we want to boil this. So when you bring it to a boil, then all you do is add your potatoes and your carrots and let those boil out and cook them when they get nice and soft. Approximately about 20 minutes they'll be done. That's it. So then we're going to add this, and we can turn it down to a simmer. We break them up so they'll be easier to melt inside the pot.
You don't want to say what it is?
I already did. That's the Japanese curry blocks. It's like you can make the curry separate, individually, whatever individual components, make like a slurry and get the chili powder, but this is all done at once, and so it's really easy. Then you're just going to let that all mix up and it'll start changing color, and then you can eat it like this. And we're going to just add a tablespoon of these other things. Now we're going to take and add
Oh.
Got me!
We're gonna add. I can't hold it steady. Come on. Tablespoon of ketchup. Tablespoon of soy sauce. And a tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, or what I've always called it is Worcestershire sauce. And lastly, a tablespoon of sugar-free jam. And that's just for my likeness of extra taste and sweetness and stuff. And you can buy the Japanese curry paste in any form of hotness that you want. Most typical is mild, and that's what this is right here. You'll see it says mild, but you can buy them hot, extra hot, whatever you want. And there you go. Curry rice is ready. Oh, you get a bowl of rice and put this in there.
Well done.
Yep. And there you have it. Japanese chicken curry with rice. Thank you guys for watching, and if you would, subscribe to the channel and get more of these cooking videos, and give it a like, share it with your friends. Thanks for joining us. See you next time. Bye.